Welcome to our channel, Hard Reset Info. Today I want to show you exactly how you can thoroughly clean the important internal buzzer or the mobile sound speaker in your phone. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. We need a brush with fairly stiff, flexible bristles, something that will bounce back. The bristles should be soft or medium hard so that they don't scratch the phone. We also need 100% isopropyl alcohol to loosen the dirt and help it come out of the hole. From the buzzer specifically, from the speaker, from the sound holes, and simply so that it evaporates afterward and leaves no trace. Because if you simply use some other type of alcohol, it might remain inside. And it will also block the flow of sound, so you could say it's completely pointless. If you don't have such a brush, you can buy one in a set on Allegro, Amazon, or Launch. Similarly, you can simply order such a diffuser as part of a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, or you can't order it at all, you can use a toothbrush that is soft or medium hard. Just make sure it's not hard, because it could scratch your phone. And you simply moisten the toothbrush with our alcohol thoroughly, so that it's wet. Take your phone in your hand. It must, of course, always be completely turned off. And then move the toothbrush in one direction. Do this 5 or 6 times over all the holes, always in one direction. And then do the same in the other direction. 5 or 6 times. But always in one direction so that the dirt comes out instead of getting stuck deeper in the hole. And again, repeat this a few times, like 5, 6, even 10 times in one direction, then again in the other direction. And then again, repeat it once more, about 5 times, cleaning back and forth in both directions. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate completely so there's no trace of it left, and then your phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. And see you in the next video.